What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So now it's my turn to open up my present, and my wife got me, okay, this thing. I have no clue what it is. It's quite heavy, and she told me not to shake it. uh, it's wrapped in the Star Wars paper, so it looks pretty cool. Is the present related to Star Wars?
No, open it up.
Oh, okay. Oh, anyway, so all right. Whoa. Okay, what you trying to tell me? That I'm fat? Uh, what's the meaning of this?
Well, you did add it to your wish list, and I could use it as well.
Yes, that's true. All right, so this is the Nokia Body Cardio Smart Scale. I've been eyeballing this for some time, and most recently, one of our friend Jennifer, I'll link her YouTube channel down in the description below. She also mentioned this in her one of the Christmas gift video that she had. It's owned by Nokia, but right now, if you Google it or looking for this body cardio, it will be under Withings.com. Let me unbox this. Like as I was growing up, Nokia was always synonymous with wireless equipment. They haven't really come out with a great phone lately. They're now into appliance. One of the things that they've been doing is the TV. But this thing is actually, I saw some good reviews online, and this actually can do a lot of stuff. Okay, the packaging so far is really nice. I like the clean design. There's a big old Nokia in the center. Oh wow. Look at this. It's so nice. I like the packaging. And one of the reasons why it's so heavy because this is mainly made out of mostly glass. Ooh, it's heavy. Very clean and nicely designed. It's really nice. So it's glass up top and aluminum on the bottom. Let's see what else they have in here. Quick installation guide, and also this shows USB here. All right, so this is the USB. Because they use rechargeable battery, so I'm pretty sure this is for recharge usage. Okay, there's nothing else in here. Okay, so here it is. This is the scale. How do I turn it on? Oh, so here you will see the port for the USB recharging and also the power button. This is it. This is how simple it is Let me go test it out and I'll give you some feedback in terms of what I like about this product. Okay, so initial setup is quite straightforward. First, you need to recharge it, obviously, because there's a rechargeable battery in there. According to the site, it's the one recharge, full recharge, is supposed to last for an entire year. Well, we don't have a year of testing done, so we just let that be for now. Not quite sure how long the battery will last, but on the app itself, it will tell you what the percentage would be. So initial setup, you have to download the app. So the app's name is called Health Mate. It's under Withings. If you look into the Android App Store or the Apple App Store, you will find them. Setup is straightforward. You just have to make sure your scale is turned on, and then your app will start looking for the scale. Of course, it has to connect to the Wi-Fi. Once it connects to the Wi-Fi, you have to let it. If this is your first time using it, it will do some updates. So all in all, it took us a little bit under 5 minutes to have everything set up for the first usage. But if you've been using the app or the scale for some time, it's just, you step on the scale, it will start doing its thing. But all your software update for the scale will go to the app. So you need to make sure that your app is connected to your Wi-Fi in order to do so. For this app, it will allow you to have up to 8 users to use the app. If you want to all under the same umbrella app, you just have to keep adding the user within the app. But if you want to have a separate, say if someone else in your family, but they don't want to share the data with you, then you just have to let them download the app themselves, and then they have to set up the whole thing by themselves as well. So that way you can create a different account. So when you first add a user, you have to go into the profile and scroll all the way down to the family section and then click on add. It will ask you for the first name, last name, the sex of the person, and the date of birth. And once you have done that, you click next. It will ask you for the height and the weight for that person. Once it's all been done, then you can start weight in. It's quite interesting because we have 3 people in our family. When the profile was initially set up by my wife, I step on it. Of course, when you only have one person on the account, it automatically shows. Because initially the name that she set up was under new parents in training. So on the left hand corner of the machine, when I step on it, it says new, but it is not mean like new user. It just mean like the person that was the profile name is under new. And then I figure, okay, let me set up one for my wife as well. So I set up hers under mom. So when she step on it, it just automatically shows mom on it. Now, funny thing is that initially I was troubling like, how would the machine know who is stepping on the scale and who is measuring? I don't know how they do it. Maybe because the depending on the size of your feet and according to your profile weight, that's how they know which profile is stepping on the scale. But every time I step on it, it shows my profile, and every time my wife step on it, it shows her profile. So it was very easy to do. We don't have to manually do anything. And once the measurement is done, it transmits everything to your phone, to the app. So you can review your stats via your app. One other feature is that it can help measure your baby's weight. I did a video before regarding getting a baby scale, but that baby scale was not that accurate. You can see the video up top. It just kind of gave us an idea of how much the baby is intaking every time we breastfeed him. Well, this scale is supposed to give you a high accuracy with the measurement. So how we measure the baby is to, first you have to create a profile for the baby. And once you have done so, when you place the baby on scale, well, you don't place the baby onto the scale. So once you have weighed yourself, you get off, then you quickly pick up your baby and weigh yourself again. So that way the machine will know that you are now weighing the baby, and your first weight will be zero out. So whatever you come up the second time will be the weight for the baby. So that's how you measure the baby with this particular machine. Now, some of the feature that this thing has that caught my attention is that it has a feature for pregnant women. So it's really good. You have to join the pregnant woman program, and once that's set up, then it will continue to measure your progress throughout the days, weeks, and months of the pregnancy. So that will come in handy if we decide to have our second kid. Yeah, overall, I'm very impressed with this scale. Not only I be able to track my BMI, my heart rate, and my progress with my water intake, it's just very useful. And also that it's very intuitive to use it too. Like once the profile is being set up, whoever step on it, the machine will recognize it, and then it will put the data for that particular user. And also, if you do want to pick up this product, I suggest you to check out different websites such as Amazon or Bed Bath Beyond. My wife picked this up from Bed Bath Beyond. So you know that Bed Bath Beyond has like a 20% discount within for the store. And so when the sale happened, Amazon has the same price and Bed Bath has the same price. And then, but Bed Bath lets you use a 20% discount on top of the sale price. So we actually got this well under $100. And also, don't forget to use Rakuten. Rakuten has percentage back for Bed Bath as well. I don't know how Bed Bath Beyond make their money. If everybody on sale, they on sale, but they also give 25% off on top of the sale price. I don't know. Well, but more power to the consumer, right? Because it's cheaper product for people to buy. Anyway, this is a quick unboxing and a quick review of it. If you have your favorite skill that you like to use, comment down below. I'm constantly looking out for different stuff that can be used for the entire family. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy savings.